Is the keto diet right for you? Several diets have been developed in recent years to help people lose weight and increase overall health, but none have become more popular than the keto diet. If you've heard of it, chances are you have friends or family who have tried it, too. And your curiosity may be getting the better of you. But how does it work? What does ketosis do to your body? Will it work for you? Before you commit to this plan, or decide against it, you should watch this video to find out if the keto diet is right for you. What is the ketogenic diet? Here are the fundamentals of keto. The diet is designed to force your body to use different types of fuel. Instead of sugar, derived from carbohydrates like grains, legumes, vegetables, and fruits, the keto diet is based on ketone bodies, a type of fuel produced by the liver from stored fat. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat, and moderate protein diet. By eating this way, your body enters a state called ketosis, which burns fat instead of carbohydrates as its primary energy source. The keto diet can help reduce weight because it forces your body to use up stored fat. The keto diet also boosts metabolism, increases mental clarity, and reduces inflammation. What are the side effects? Fat burning appears to be an ideal way to shed pounds. However, getting the liver to produce ketone bodies is difficult and requires that you restrict your carbohydrate intake to less than 20 to 50 grams per day. It usually takes a few days to get into ketosis. Ketosis is when your body starts to burn fat instead of sugar as fuel. This leads to weight loss because your body is using stored up fat. However, this diet can be difficult to maintain due to the lack of carbs and sugar that are usually present in everyday life. A ketogenic diet carries a few risks. First and foremost, it is high in saturated fat. Because of the link to heart disease, it is recommended to limit saturated fats to no more than 7% of your daily calories. Indeed, the keto diet has been linked to an increase in bad LDL cholesterol, which has also been linked to heart disease. If you don't eat a wide variety of vegetables, fruits, and grains, you may be at risk for micronutrient deficiencies, such as selenium, magnesium, phosphorus, and vitamins B and C. Side effects may include constipation, diarrhea, bad breath, fatigue, and dizziness. Who really shouldn't do keto? If you are pregnant or breastfeeding. People with osteoporosis, ketosis can lead to a condition called acidosis, where there is too much acid in your bodily fluids. For people who are type 1 diabetics. People who have kidney issues, our kidneys filter fat and protein, both of which can be increased on the keto diet. Pushing the kidneys to work harder by processing the extra protein can aggravate pre-existing kidney problems. And if you suffer from chronic pancreatitis, then keto is not right for you. The keto diet can also be difficult to follow if you are a vegetarian and don't eat enough protein. It may be hard to get all your nutrients without supplements. Verdict: the keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet. Its goal is to transition your body from burning glucose produced by carbs to burning ketones produced by the fat you eat and your body fat. It frequently results in weight loss at first, but this is most likely due to the release of excess water rather than fat. As with any restrictive diet, if you stop eating keto, you will most likely gain weight. This could be due in part to a decrease in your metabolic rate, how quickly your body uses energy, which can last for a long time afterwards.